Welcome to the Concept Solutions CSTube video training course covering how to post-produce in Camtasia. The intended audience is Concept Solutions training material developers. This class is intended for those who have taken CSTube Video Creation Training 100 and 101. After taking this course, you will be able to identify and use the different screen elements in Camtasia, sync and modify captions, insert and modify callouts, and use the zoom and pan functionality. This course begins with an overview of Camtasia. We will then take a more detailed look at the canvas and timeline sections of the screen. Then, we will explore the sync captions, insert callouts, and zoom and pan functionality. We will close with a summary, questions, and references. The Camtasia software contains 3 sections: the canvas, which displays the video, the clip bin, which holds all video, audio, and image files used in the presentation, and the timeline, where all visual and audio files are synced in relation to one another. When you first open a video in Camtasia, the video displays on the top display screen in the canvas. The canvas is the place where developers can preview a video prior to publishing. This can be used not only to preview the video in its entirety, but also to preview segments, or even just to see how a particular animation or effect looks on the screen. Beneath the main video display, but still in the canvas, are the Playback Controls. Using these controls, you can navigate to the beginning, rewind, play, pause, fast forward, and navigate to the end. In the bottom right of the canvas is a video clock. The scrubber can be used to quickly navigate through the video. The timeline displays the length of time for which video, audio, captions, callouts, and so forth show up in your video. Each media element is in its own designated track. For instance, your video will show up on one track, captions on a second track, and callouts on a third track. Watch the following video to learn how to sync captions. Once you open a video in Camtasia, the first step will be to sync the video's audio with the script using the Sync Captions feature. To access Sync Captions, click the Captions button and then select Sync Captions. In the Sync Captions with Audio pop-up window, select the desired start position and click OK. The training will begin playing in the canvas. The corresponding text will display in the Captions tab. As the video begins to play, click on the first word in a caption when the word is spoken in the training. Once the word has been clicked, the text of that caption moves up on the screen and the text of the next caption appears in red letters. When the first word of the next caption is spoken, click on the first word. Continue in this manner until you have completed the video. To pause the video, click the pause button located in the Captions tab. Because the playback controls in the canvas are inactive during audio syncing. To resume the video, click play in the Captions tab. To navigate to a previous point in the video, in the Captions tab, click stop. Then, in the timeline, move the scrubber back and click Sync Captions. Select the start at the position of the playhead on the timeline and replace all captions from that point on, radio button. It will restart at the point selected in the timeline. Watch the following video to learn how to insert callouts into a presentation. After the audio is synced, the next step is to go through the video and insert callouts. To insert a callout, first, move the timeline scrubber to the point in the timeline in which you would like the callout to appear. Next, click on Callouts, and then click on Add Callout. Expand the Shapes menu, and click on a callout to choose it. The selected callout will appear on the screen in the canvas with white circles forming a box around it. Click and drag on the white circles to expand or contract the size of the callout. Click and drag on the callout itself to move it to a different spot on the screen. To rotate the callout, click on the green circle in the center of the callout and move your mouse clockwise or counterclockwise to rotate. After the callout has been properly positioned, in the timeline, click and drag the callout icon to the desired endpoint, or the point at which it will disappear from the screen. Watch the following video to learn how to use the zoom and pan feature. To use the zoom feature, move the timeline scrubber to the point in the timeline at which you wish to zoom. Then, click Zoom and Pan. In the Zoom and Pan tab, use the white circles to expand or narrow the box. Then, click and drag the highlighted box to the desired zoom area. To pan out, in the timeline, move the timeline scrubber to the point at which you would like to pan out. Then, in the Zoom and Pan tab, expand the box so that it shows the entire screen again. The following bullet points summarize this presentation. Use the canvas to view your presentation. Use the clip bin to insert additional media. Use the timeline to coordinate timing between tracks. Use the Sync Captions tab to sync captions with audio. Use the Callouts tab or Zoom and Pan tab to emphasize a particular area of the screen. Thank you for attending Video Creation Training 102 on the Concept Solutions Video Training CSTube. Please contact the product owner, Randolph Klatt, with any questions. For further learning and more detailed information, click the on-screen link to view Camtasia Studio 8 video tutorials. Thank you, and we're looking forward to having you on another Concept Solutions video training.